Here's Hayden, 21 months, almost 22 months, and he loves to vacuum. Loves to vacuum. So much so that if you try to touch it, he gets mad.
Vacuum. Vacuum.
Okay, time to put the vacuum away.
Vacuum. Vacuum.
Okay, put it away. Help mommy put it away. Can you put it away in the closet? Here, mommy will do it.
Vacuum.
Okay, push it in there. Ready? There it goes, in the closet. Away goes the vacuum.
Vacuum.
We're all done with the vacuum. No, we're not gonna pull it back out again. Keep it in there. Close the door. No, keep it in there.
Vacuum.
No more vacuum. Come on.
Vacuum.
No more vacuum. Close the door. Yeah, time to leave the vacuum alone. Bye-bye, vacuum.
Vacuum.
Bye-bye, vacuum. It's time to leave the vacuum alone. All right, Hayden, come on. Are you sad over the vacuum?
Vacuum.
What's wrong?
Vacuum. Mama.
No more vacuuming.